Hey guys, Kian Tam is back again, and as usual, we do not disappoint. For this project, we replaced this old linoleum floor with a cooler, better one. Keep watching and see the transformation.
Get up from your bed, go to work, grinding down. Practice dancing, grinding on. Press is going on, grinding on. Sweep the shaking booty in the club, grinding on. Painters dip the rolling, grinding on. Farmers painting crowds, grinding on. Builders making houses, grinding on. Breaking our backs, grinding on. Need to patronize us, grinding on. Every day we're moving, grinding on. Every day we're moving, grinding on. Every day we're moving.
Can you give us some tips and tricks on how to caulk perfectly?
Okay, so first thing first, you need to cut 45 degrees. Yeah, I need to have paper towel. You need to have this too.
Yeah.
It makes it pretty easy. So right now we've done all this side. It's very clean. But then once you are placing it, don't press it towards the wall. You'll leave like a little gap. Just basically on the tip of where the tape is, just put it right there. And then you just press. And then keep going. See that? And then once you're done, you just need to take your tool and just screw it on. Again, one more time. Then take out your tip and you're good. Voila. Simple.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and turn on your post notifications so you know every time we post, and you can quickly watch our videos. Don't forget, we do all things home improvement. Have a lovely weekend and see you next time.